Alright, in this video we are going to learn how to do the zero product property. The zero product property is if the product of two quantities equals zero, at least one of the products or one of the quantities equals zero. So what that means is your equation that you were given, you have to solve it so that it equals zero. So now in this first equation I will show you, it has parentheses x plus 7, parentheses x plus 9 equals 0. Now what you want to do is you want to take one of the first part, x plus 7, and you want to equal that to 0. And so fill it out like an equation, get x by itself, so you minus 7 over here. So you get x equals negative 7. Because if you have a positive 7, how do you make positive 7 equal 0? Minus 7. So your answer is x equals 7. Then you go to the second part, x plus 9 equals 0. Subtract the 9, and you get x equals negative 9. So your answer for number 1 is x minus 7, x equals negative 7, and x equals negative 9. So let's look at the second example. You have x, just x by itself, and you have x plus 11. So since it's by itself, x, it just equals 0 because there's nothing there. That's as simple as that. Then you have x plus 11. You set that equal to 0 like we did above. Subtract the 11. Then you get x equals negative 11. So your answer for that is x equals 0 and x equals negative 11. Third example gets a little more tricky. It's not just the x, there's a number in front of the x. So you set them both equal to 0 like we've been doing. And then there's a little more to this equation. So you're going to subtract the 2 first off. So you have 3x equals negative 2. And how do you get that x by itself? You're going to divide the 3. So for the first part, you get x equals negative 2 over 3. And then you have the second part, which is 4x minus 1, set it equal to 0, plus the 1. So you have 4x equals positive 1, divided by the 4, so you get x by itself. And then you have x equals positive 1 over 4. For the last one, your answers are x equals negative 2 over 3, and x equals 1 over 4. That is how you solve the zero product property.